This is the new side of the capacitor. So when installing it, this line is the negative line. So you just push this in and make sure that the negative line. I ordered these on AliExpress. So I have for future purposes. So I need 4 of these. So and these, I think they are the same. So that's 3200 UF, 35 volts, and temperature is 105 degrees Celsius, which are the same as the old one. I wish I could get one that was a little hotter, but it's the same number. Here you see. So like I said, very important, make sure the negative line is lining up. And then what I do sometimes to hold it straight is widen the leg a little bit on this side. I give it tension so that it hold the capacitor in place. Like that. So that way when I solder it, the soldering is easy. I'll show you how I solder. And this is how I solder. When you solder, you don't want it to be too crazy. I don't know about the places. See how neat that was.